The Association of Semiconductor Equipment and Materials International, you can find it under semi.org, has issued the SEMI S23 standard in this regard. The first version of SEMI S23 standard was issued back in 2005. In this respect, semiconductor manufacturers were pioneers in this field. The current version is from 2021 and reflects the current state of the art regarding energy efficiency. Basically, two aspects are covered. First, SEMI S23 provides guidance on how to measure resources and energy efficiency on real machines. In addition, the manufacturers are to develop procedures to reduce this consumption. For this purpose, the energy consumption is to be monitored regularly, and in the case of further machinery designs, the consumption is to be reduced. Measurements are taken in the various operating modes, such as production, idle, or sleep mode. Relevant variables are electrical consumption, exhaust air, vacuum, nitrogen, cooling medias, and others. Energy equivalents are then calculated using specified conversion factors. And finally, an annual equivalent for energy and power is determined from this. This is used as a benchmark for further designs or even for systems from different manufacturers.